Hi everyone, this is Carmen with KR Office Interiors. Today we're going to chat about how we are going to fit a chair according to individuals who are looking to be ergo assessed. So today, if a customer comes in and we are wanting to specifically talk about, say, if they have a back issue or they have a neck issue, things like that, we can specifically talk to the individual according to which chair is going to best fit them. Today we're going to talk about the Leap chair because it is one of our award-winning chairs through Steelcase. This chair is going to give you your overall adjustability and functions for your daily tasks, especially if you're going to be sitting for long hours. So first we want to start off with how we adjust our arms. So when we adjust our arms, we're going to start out making sure that our arms are about at a 90-degree angle, just making sure we're comfortable. We're not reaching too far or reaching down too low. So we'll bring these in a little bit. There's a little lever on the side. It just goes up and down. So we'll bring this to about this height and just make sure you're comfortable. You can move these arms in and out, which is great. So that brings in, if you're a little bit of a petite person or you're a little bit of a larger person, you can bring the chair out. Okay, next we're gonna talk about having our feet flat on the floor and making sure that we are 100% comfortable in the chair. So as of right now, I'm in a pretty comfortable position. We want to make sure that our shoulders are back and that our back is by no means gapped from the back of the seat. We want to make sure that our tailbone and our tush is back in the back of the seat as much as possible. Our feet are flat on the floor, and then we'll focus on this part of our seated position. So we want to make sure that we have at least a 2-finger depth between the back of the seat to the back of our leg, and that's just going to help us with any circulation issues, making sure that we're comfortable for long periods of sitting throughout the day, and then just making sure that we're not getting like a really kind of sluggish, relaxed kind of seated position like we all like to do at some points throughout the day. So here we're just going to focus on having the seat here, and there's a seat pan which is on the opposite side of where I'm seated now, and we just make sure we pivot that forward to make sure that we're at a comfortable seated position. And here I do have a little bit of shorter legs, so that's gonna again depend on how we're going to pivot the seat forward, the seat pan forward, excuse me. And so we'll just make sure that depth between the back of the seat to the back of your leg is at least 2 fingers distance. So once we have everything pretty much functional and you feel comfortable at a seated position, the last thing we're gonna focus on is making sure that the back of the lumbar is nicely tucked into where you have the inner curve to your back. So we want to make sure, again, our tush is in the furthest seated back position closest to the cushion of the seat, and then we're just going to take the chair, we're going to flip it around, and we're going to just simply move the lumbar up and down to make sure that it's going to hit on your inner back. And this little inner lumbar is just pretty much going to give a little extra support on where the crest of your back is, on how it will move in and out. It just gives it that extra little support for you to feel comfortable. So if you're looking to be ergo assessed for a chair, we can definitely help out. We have our Bozeman office and the Helena office. You can always reach us via email, or you can check out our website, and we'd love to help you guys out. Thanks so much.